If you want to create a video yourself from scratch, there are two big costs to consider: tools and labor. In general, the more you invest in tools, the better quality your video will be. If you simply use your smartphone, a tripod, available light, and a low-cost microphone, you can expect to spend about $100. If you invest in a prosumer camera, a solid tripod, some lighting, a wireless microphone, and a backdrop, you can expect to spend between $2,000 and $2,500. On top of that, editing software will be either a one-time fee of about $300 or a monthly cost of around $25. Labor costs are much tougher to nail down. We spend about 10 hours planning each video, 8 hours filming it per crew member, and 10 hours editing it. And we're pretty efficient. You could easily invest 40 hours into one project. Multiply that by the federal minimum wage, and it's at least $290, likely more. So at a minimum, a DIY video will cost you $390. Invest for better quality, and it could cost $3,000. By contrast, a professional videographer already has the tools and skills, so outsourcing your video project starts at about $900. It's worth at least getting a quote to find out if it isn't cheaper, let alone more effective, to simply hire a pro. Like and subscribe for more video marketing tips, because we want you to bear fruit 100-fold.